Hello everyone, look what came in the mail today. Another credit card. So we will go ahead and do an unboxing video of this card. So if you've read the caption, you know this is the Disney credit card from Chase. So I already have one of the designs, so I wanted to go ahead and get another design. I will go ahead and unbox this for you so you guys can see exactly what the different designs are, so you can make a conscious decision, because the website doesn't always show exactly what it is. So hopefully this video you'll find very helpful to make a decision on which design you want to go for. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. And before we get into this unboxing, give this video a thumbs up. And if you like contents like this, feel free to subscribe to this channel. So let's unbox this. All right, so this is the envelope. It came in the mail today, and you know, I try to give you guys as much of an authentic experience as possible. So you'll see I have not opened this envelope, where we'll go ahead and cut this open now. So hopefully you guys get as much of an authentic unboxing experience as possible, because this is the way.
This is the way.
This is the way. This is the way.
Okay, so first, we have the guide to benefits. It's a Visa signature card, not a Visa Infinite card. You don't expect a Visa Infinite card at no annual fees. So nothing out of the ordinary. Okay, the next one is Disney Rewards dollar terms and conditions for Disney Visa credit cards. Okay, you can find all this information on their website as well. But if you want to read it, feel free to pause this video. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail, but feel free to pause this video if you guys want to read it. Welcome to Chase. This is your card member agreement. Also very standard. Nothing new here per se, I would say. But once again, feel free to pause this video if you want to read through it, or you could find it on the Chase website as well. And guys, the terms and conditions are the same as the Disney credit card that I unboxed on my channel for the Darth Vader card that I received. I will leave the link in the iCard somewhere in the video, so feel free to check that out. I will not be repeating that information. I don't want to waste your time. What does it do with your personal information? Pretty standard and straightforward. Once again, feel free to pause the video. I will not discuss it at length, or you could check out their website. All right, so I think this is the card. Yep. Before I get to that, there's something else here as well. Okay, this is the APR information and fees information. But guys, as you know, if you're a responsible card user, never carry a balance, because you can see the APR is very high, about 14%. But this is a no annual fee card, like I mentioned. Annual membership fee, none, no annual fee card. All right, now we finally get to the card. Okay, so this is the Disney Visa card. Let me take off that sticker so you can see that. All right. So my first one that I got was the Darth Vader design. This is the Mandalorian design. So you see the Mandalorian and Baby Yoda here. Star Wars, if it's not obvious by now, huge Star Wars fan. Here's the Chase logo, Visa signature, and this is where it says that it has tap to pay. Here's a tap to pay logo. And of course, you've got the chip if you just want to insert it. Just like the other Disney card, this one, it's a combination of shiny and matte, as you can see. Hopefully it's coming across in the camera. So Baby Yoda here and the Mandalorian is shiny. It's just like that in the Darth Vader card, where Vader is shiny and the rest of the card is matte. Oh, the Visa logo is shiny as well. Really nice. Really, really nice. All right, guys, I had to show you the back as well. I had to cover up the sensitive information, but you also got a picture of Baby Yoda here at the back. So it's not just like a front design and really, bland at the back. It's really nice at the back as well. And the color theme of yellow kind of carries over at the back as well. So really nice. So guys, I also brought my other Disney card here to show you as well, side-by-side comparison. If you're a Star Wars fan, these cards are must-haves, because there aren't a lot of other designs available for if you like pop culture and things like that. I don't think there are a lot of Mickey Mouse fans around. I know there are a lot of Avengers and Marvel fans, but they don't have credit card designs on that. At least I'm not aware of it. So if you guys know of any, do let me know in the comment section. Maybe I can do an unboxing on those as well. But yep, I like the whole play with matte and shiny, as you can see. I think it plays the light really well. Both no annual fee cards. It's basically the same card, and you could change the design if you want to. You could do it through the Chase app as well. Once you open that app and you navigate to the credit card, there's a place where it says change card design. So you could go and keep changing your designs if you want to do that. But wanted to show you guys what it is really like and do an unboxing of this. I did a full review of the card benefits and everything else with the Darth Vader card, so that's why I'm not repeating that information. That video is in the iCard, and also link that in the description. So check that out if you want to know more about the benefits of that card. This is mainly to do an unboxing and show you guys exactly what this card looks like. And it flexes just like a regular card. This isn't fancy. This is definitely not metal. Even amongst plastic cards, the quality is very standard. If you have a credit card, you know what it feels like. So nothing new there, but it's the design. So if you're a Star Wars fan or a Mandalorian fan, this is a must-have. All right, guys. So I do have plenty of unboxing and review videos on my channel. Do check them out. I've got separate playlists for Chase credit cards and Bank of America credit cards and US Bank credit cards. So if you're interested in a specific bank as well or financial institution, you could find that on my channel. And as always, if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll answer them for you. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. What are your thoughts on this Mandalorian Disney credit card from Chase? Let me know in the comments below. I really like it. I think it's nice. It's not as serious as other credit cards, so I kind of like it. I'm a huge Star Wars fan. Love the Mandalorian TV show, so love that. So I like it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. That's it for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.